Hey, it's Patty with It's Natural. Welcome. We have some easy hummus recipes for your heart's desires and your taste buds. We have sweet potatoes. You can roast them and scoop it out, or you can use baby food. Very good option. You can also use baby food for the sweet peas, or frozen or fresh. I love smashing those up. Also, we've got avocados. Just smash that up also and put that in the ingredients. Now, I love using marinara sauce. Put that in there with tahini sauce, or you can use tomatoes. Now, what you're going to do is just use a minimum of 2 tablespoons of tahini, garlic, any desired, cilantro, parsley, salt. You can use oil instead of water for the consistency and the texture. And you can go ahead and alter it by adding more of the tahini sauce depending upon how much you're willing to make. For me, 2 tablespoons, I do 2 tablespoons and then 2 tablespoons of marinara sauce, or a half of an avocado, whatever your heart's desires. So enjoy. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook, links below. And also, if you're interested in some healthy essential oils or some other items, the link is below. Have a great day.